everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be doing a set that I was challenged to do by Tao Nguyen. I think I'm saying the name right. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry, but she is Tao Easy on Instagram, and she is on the Not Polished YouTube channel. So I'm going to leave all their information and links to their Instagrams and the YouTube channel in the description box below. The only thing I'm sad about this set is, oh, by the way, ignore this little finger. I didn't like it at all. I don't even know what I'd done, so ignore the little finger. Look at the state of it. Right, ignore the little finger. The only thing I'm sad about this set is that I'm not using the Not Polished products, but hopefully they'll be here very soon. Oh, I'm so excited. So on this nail, ignore the pinky. I'm going to start again. I'm going to take the tip out. The ring finger here, I am going to be doing a four-way ombre. Now the purple and the pink were really difficult to blend together. The purple is really, I don't know, I just struggled. I really did struggle with this, but I'm going to put the purple at the top, the pink, and then the orange, and then the yellow. And if you want to, you can always go back in with, like, then I just put a bit more pink on. You can always go back, as long as you work, you don't want to work too thick, otherwise you'll end up with a bulky nail. But you can always go back in with some more colour, just to make your ombre a little bit more blended. Now I'm not worried too much because a lot of this nail is going to be covered up. I'll explain why in a little bit. This nail here, I am going to do a marble. So I put the purple. Oh, by the way, the colours I'm using are from Nailchemy. They're the Genesis Acrylic. I think the colours are Busy Lizzie, Begonia, Bee Balms, and Freesia. So this is a marble. This purple just absolutely hated me on this set. This is, by the way, this is my second attempt of this set. I did do another one that was slightly different to this, and I used neon pigments, and it looked vaguely similar-ish to Tao's set, and I didn't want it to look too similar, so I thought I would try again and do it a little bit different. I think at this point I was looking at that pinky nail thinking, is there anything I can do to salvage it? And there absolutely isn't. I do not like my marble. I think that purple just in the middle, the purple in the middle just ruins it for me, unfortunately. I'm being really, I don't know if I'm being really picky or not. I'm just like picking my nails to shreds, not picking them to shreds, but you know what I mean? Picky, not literally picking. Although I do that, but not at the moment. They're pretty good. Anyway, moving on because I'm starting to waffle now. This index finger is going to be an ombre using Bee Balms, which is the orange, and Begonia, which is the yellow. This is pretty easy, this now. It's a pretty easy one to do, which is quite good. Okay, so moving on, I took the nail out of the pinky and I'm going in now with Freesia, which is the pink. This is just going to be a full nail of pink. This is a really nice bright pink. I like this one. So I'm going to leave that just to start to set a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to take some glitter and I'm going to cover the whole nail with glitter because I need glitter somewhere. Now this glitter I'm using is called Snow Globe, and it is from Nail Sugar. If you want to get 10% off on any Nail Sugar products, you can do so using my code NATMUG10. I love this Snow Globe. I think it's perfect for like summer. It's just perfect for all year round because you can make it look icy and you can make it look summery, you know. And then I decided to put a little bit through the marble. You know, when you know what we say, if you don't like it, cover that shit up with glitter. Well, that's what I was trying to do, though. It didn't do really a good job of hiding it too much. So I'm just going to put it in and sort of follow that marble through with a glitter. And then I'm going to cap all the nails in clear acrylic. I'm using, actually I don't know what I was using for this set. It was either Nailchemy's Crystal or Nail's Crystal Clear. I don't know. And I only done this yesterday. Oh, I tell you what, it was Nail's. It was Nail's. Yeah, I only done it yesterday. It was Nail's because it's still on my desk. Okay, so once I've filed them all, I'm going to, once I've capped them all, I'm going to file and buff. And this is where we're at now. Now, I was too far away. I didn't realise I hadn't zoomed in. But I'm using Nailchemy's Artisan Gel Paint to sort of trace out the outline of a flame. I was going to do the pigments because I haven't used pigments for ages. But the set that I done initially, the pigments kept staining the acrylic. Now I spoke to Karen, and Karen said that I needed to matte top coat the nail before I went in with the design, and that will obviously stop the neon pigments sticking to the places that I don't want them to stick. So that's where I was going wrong. But today with this set, I thought I'd use black. Now I know it's summer, or it's not quite summer, is it here? Is it nearly summer? It's nearly summer. I thought I'd use black because it's, I don't know, I just thought I'd use black. I've never really been this brave. So yeah, so anyway, I'm using the Artisan Gel Paint in black just to trace out the flame. And then I'm going to pop this in the lamp to flash cure for 30 seconds because the Nailchemy Artisan Gel Paints cure for 60. So I'll just pop them in for 30 just to make sure it's all set. So I will let you watch this and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, I finally found the zoom in, so you can see my rough outline of a flame. I mean, I'm not very good at drawing flames, but you get the idea that it's a flame. And once I am totally happy with it, I will pop it in the lamp. At least I've zoomed in a bit so you can actually see it now, which is good. So I'm going to leave it like that. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking some Madam Glam Perfect Black, and I'm going to put this on my palette and using my detailer brush. The detailer brush is the Natalie Mugridge Nail Sugar detailer brush. It will be back in stock the first week of June on the Nail Sugar website. I'm so excited. I'm going to use this to basically colour in the outside of the flame. My worry was with doing this, I thought I put the black on too thick in some places, and if you put black gel polish on too thick, or any gel polish that's really pigmented, you are going to get some wrinkling. And I did actually get a little bit of wrinkling, but it was my own fault. I put it on too thick. So it's nothing to do with the gel polish, it was me, it was my fault. But yeah, so I'm going to let you watch this, and yeah, I'll see you when it's done. It doesn't look as bad now. Now it's all coloured in. I'm actually a bit happier with how the flame looked. It looked weird before it was not coloured in. So that's gone in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds because Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. The next two nails I did struggle with a little bit. I'm using the gel polish now, the Madam Glam gel polish, to do this instead of the Artisan gel paints. Now the gel paints are a little bit thicker than the gel polish. So I think for doing stuff like this, they are a little bit easier to work with. But because I had loads of black left on my palette, I thought I would go ahead and try... Oh, bit of gas there. Sorry about that. I thought I would try and use the gel polish to do this. It's all good practice anyway as well, isn't it? This one is going to be... So on Towel's set, she had a... she had like a black line following the smile line, and then she had a bit of an the free edge was like outlined, and then she had a nail with the I suppose this is like almost like a backwards smile line. So I'm going to do that because I kind of wanted the set to be I wanted it to be not similar, not the same, but I wanted there to be some similarities. I mean, she only said as long as it's got a flame on it, but I don't know. I wanted to, yeah, I quite liked what she'd done as well. So this is going to be the smile line nail. So now I'm going to put on a smile line. The fingers kept getting in the way as well. Yeah, so I'll let you watch this. I'm also going to outline the free edge as well, which you'll see in a minute. This was definitely like the hardest part, I think, of the whole set for me. So now I'm going to pop this in the lamp and I am going to let it cure for 30 seconds. Then I am going to use the velvet matte top coat. I want it to be velvet. Not velvet, I want it to be a velvet. Why is that? I can't get through a video without mucking up my words. I wanted this set to be matte finish because I've been doing a lot of shiny sets lately. So I thought, let's go ahead and, can you see the wrinkling up by the cuticle area? It's wrinkled there. Just see there? Now I was gonna hope no one would see it, but you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna leave my mistakes in, because we all make them. I just think some people. I mean, some people literally are, they do perfect nails, but we are all human and mistakes happen, and I am happy to admit mine. If you want to leave it shiny before I cure these, you'll get a kind of idea of what it's going to look like shiny. But once I pop them in the lamp, they're going to go matte. And then I am going to wax some crystals on, but I only put a few on, not loads, and I don't actually show you me doing that bit because I thought the video was getting quite long. So this velvet matte top coat cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well, and then I will show you the finished set. I was really pleased with it in the end. There we go. So I'm going to pop the crystals on now. I am going to leave the link to Tal's Instagram account and the NotPolish Instagram account in the description box below, along with their link to their YouTube channel. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. If you do want to try some NotPolish products, they have just got a brand new UK website, which I will leave in the description box as well, along with their US website as well. So depending on where you are, you know, you can pick. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye.